down low, sleeping on this chain, girl. It's all done. Riding down on college out, light on that bullshit, whipping on that full grain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring this hair by Sunber Hair. All the links will be in my description box. And also the color to this hair, the hair color video will be in my description box as well. So all I'm going to show you guys is how I install my wig. First, I'm going to be using my GHOSTBOND glue. This glue does not break me out, so I know for sure it doesn't break me out, so that's what I'm using now. My bolt hole started breaking me out and I really don't have time. So I'm using my GHOSTBOND glue just to seal my cap. It's the same ball cap method. You guys can search it up. I feel like everybody knows the ball cap method, but I'm just using it, and then when it's kind of tacky, I'm gonna press the edges of the cap into my skin, and this gives it that seamless look. I'm using this tape I got from Amazon. You get like 500 for like $10, I think. I'm gonna link it down below if I can find a link. I'm using 3 big tapes, and then I used some small tapes just around the edges. I didn't show that. And then I'm putting 1 layer of my GHOSTBOND just to put that, I don't know, just for that extra hold. And then I'm just going to smooth that out. And I'll be right back with the rest of my commentary.
In my pride, I got that something. Visions of watching you back it and dumping. So I'm on a 9-5. Slide. All I got is video. I'm on my way right now. I'll text when you outside. Yeah. I just want something. I just want something. You got that bullshit. You got that.
Alright, you guys. So you want to wait for that glue to turn clear, just how mine looks. And I'm just going to put on this wig. This wig is really, really nice. I actually like it. This is a custom unit I made myself. So if you want to get one made, you can email me. The email will be in the description box. The color for this hair is going to be in the description box as well. Tell me if you like this hair color or my other hair colors you guys want to see me do. Like, do you want to see me do like a navy blue or, I don't know, just different colors? Suggest them down below. I'm pressing the lace into the glue. Don't do it as hard as I did, because I did kind of make my glue turn a little bit white right there where you can see, but it's going to disappear. I'm cutting little strips in it. I will say that before I cut the strips, I should have blow dried it, but you could do it either how. So I'm just blow drying it on warm temperature just to melt that lace a little bit. Then I'm cutting off the lace with my eyebrow razor. This just makes sure that everything looks seamless. It's gonna look a little crazy right now, but trust me, after a day when you tie it down and it's all melted, it's gonna be amazing. So here I'm just cutting that lace off. And make sure you take your time with this, because you don't want to cut yourself. I feel like I have a lot of videos on how I install my wigs like this, so I didn't really want to make another one, but I appreciate when people put their installs in their videos, so that's why I'm doing this right here. So I'm just making sure that everything is good. I am going back in with my blow dryer on warm temperature and just melting that a little bit more. Just push it down, push the edges down with your comb. And then I'm going to go ahead and make some baby hairs really quick. Alright, when you're done sectioning off your baby hairs, you are going to tweeze them a bit just to give them a natural look. I really don't like too much of my baby hairs being too thick. So make sure you go in and tweeze them just so they can be a little bit more natural for you. That's all I'm doing right here. Then I'm using the same eyebrow razor just to give it a nice cut. When you're doing the baby hairs, you want to go back and forth with the cutting just to make sure that everything is looking as natural as possible. I'm using my favorite Afro G mousse just to lay my baby hairs down because I wanted some soft baby hairs. I'm putting it around my hairline like that, and then I'm going in and sculpting the baby hairs. It didn't really come out the way I wanted to, but baby hairs are a trial and error, so you just keep trying and you're going to get it to how you want it. So that's all I'm doing right here is the baby hairs, and then I'm going to be right back.
Tom makes beats.
So, this is for my lady and my friend that's who she's not a ghost you. Oh,
Alright, so right here I'm using this thick elastic band just to hold my wig down. And this just helps everything melt a little bit further. So that's all I'm doing is tying that down really, really tight. Then I'm using my sit down dryer and I'm going to sit under here for 15 minutes. And I have my blow dryer on high heat. That is it for this video. Tell me if this was really helpful. And if you guys followed these steps, tell me how it went. Also, thank you guys so much for your support. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Please comment down below so we can interact. Bye.
I just wanna know when I'm top down low, sipping on this drink, girl, so done. Riding down on Collins Hall, light on that bullshit, whipping on that full grain.